I would say so.
More? 15 layers?
No, that's the big problem right there. There's world of cover up in the world.
When you have moderate to severe eczema, it's
Iwan na naman ako ni Mister. Hala, nakalimutan kong ilagay sa ano. Kumain ako, hindi nakalimutan kong ilagay itong ating ito. At alam nyo ba na aalis siya kasi puntahan na naman yun yung kapatid. Hospital man yun, diba? So, kailangan niya talagang puntahan, mga darling. At ang hirap dun kasi basta mahirap man mga loves kasi walang malayo siya ba? Malayo yung hospital and then si Tammy kailangan ding magpunta doon para naman may makasama yung kapatid niya sa hospital. But sabi ko, hindi na lang ako sasama. Sabi ko sa kanya, ayaw kong sumama kasi ang dami kong gawain dito sa bahay, sa labas. Mainit pero maginaw ang panahon. At magkatay ng damo, Roxy, na. Kailangan natin magkat ng damo. Mahaba na kasi. Yan. Mahaba na. Come on down here. Hello. 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 Hey. What are you doing? Come on, Misty. Masaya ang kangkong. Kangkong. Ang dami ng hinog na naman. May hinog na naman. Kamatis. Bye, honey. Careful driving. Do you need something over there? Do you need food?
Do you need food? No.
Yeah.
She can't eat or drink. They won't let
Okay, what's your... Hello, the light is still on, hon. Shut it off. Huh? You drove it, right?
Yeah.
Love you. Careful. Bye. Tapos din ako, mga darling. Natapos. Buong yard natin natapos. What is it, Misty? You can go pee. Do you wanna move pee more? Go pee more. Go ahead. Kailangan kong i-weedwalk kasi ang taas na ng damo sa ating garden. Ang sarap sa feeling, mga loves, na nakapag-cut ka na ng damo. Ang tapos na. Diba? Tapos, nakakaluwa ka. Yep. At saka, ang saya ko kasi nga, doon ba? Diyan, oh. Diba, malinis na. Kasi nga, minimaintain ko yan na malinis. So, kaya, yan, ang saya lang. So, marami palang nagsasabi na maganda daw dito at or nakakatakot kasi walang kapitbahay. Meron po kami mga kapitbahay. Hindi lang talaga ninyo palaging nakikita kasi hindi ako nag-vlog sa labas. Like dyan, oh, may kapitbahay dyan. Dyan. And then dito meron din. Dyan meron, malapit. Dito, kita nyo yung bubong. Yan. And doon marami. Tingnan nyo. Marami na doon. Palabas dito, marami na din doon. So marami pero hindi katulad sa syudad na dikit-dikit. Paligo na si Inday Mirian kasi mabaho. At ito na yung ating hydrangea, oh. Nag-change color na siya. Change color na, mga loves. Tayo si Mister, di ba, umalis siya, lumayas. Hindi man nagparamdam. Kasi kung tumawag siya sa telephone, Hindi siya nagparamdam sa akin. So, pabayaan natin. Mga loves, itong asawa ko kaninang umaga, hindi ko kinausap. And, kasi wala ako sa, basta ayaw ko kausapin. Pero, pagkatapos niyan, gusto niyang umalis. Puntahan yung kapatid. And, sabi ko, punta ka, bungkol ka. Sabi ko, punta ka, bungkol ka, punta ka doon. Or maligo daw siya kasi punta. Sabi ko, ligo doon. Bungkol ka, maligo dahil kag-imo. And then, matagal siyang lumaya sa bahay. At saka, gusto pala niya akong sumama. And then, sunod siya ng sunod sa akin. Sinusundan ako. Kasi hindi ko kinausap. Tignan nyo, nasa labas. Uy, meron pa dito. Kasi gusto niyang sumama ako. And then, ayaw ko talagang sumama. Pero ito, dito ako nakasama kasi naano ako ba, naawa ko pa rin. Sumama na lang ako para may kasama. Kasi ayaw ko talaga siyang kausapin. Pero yun, naawa ako sa huli. Kasi talagang, ano ng oras, malapit nang alaon na unya. Hindi pa siya nakalakaw. Yan lang. Dito kami, nagbaon ako mga loves. Kasi nagutom ako, hindi ako nag-lunch pa. Gusto pala niyang may kasama. Diba? Kahoy-kahoy, mga bukid-bukid. Ganito yung mga ano dito, bukid-bukid. Oh. Countryside. Pero maganda naman dito eh. Tanungin natin si Kano, mga darling. So I saw somebody doing live. She mentioned that they're new husband and wife, and so somebody asked her if she haven't tried another gay while she's married, and she said, a woman, they have threesome. So what do you think? Is that a secure marriage? And
I wouldn't think so. But some people think that makes their marriage more secure. I don't know.
Really?
I don't agree with that.
so some people will do that here, right?
Yeah, it's common enough.
Huh?
Common enough.
Careful. Are you still in speed control?
Yeah.
But that's really, I can't do that, honey. It will be like, I'd rather be alone. Did you do that? No? You sure before? Huh?
Not my thing.
Not your thing? For me, I don't think that their marriage is secure. Are you gonna be like, they have love to each other now? Like they want...
I don't know.
But what is that?
Tire.
The tire? Magkaiba talaga ang tao daw eh. Magkaiba talaga kahit anong pang gawin natin. May mga ganyan. Parang nakakalaswa man yan eh. Parang tatlo kayo sa isang kama.
I know everybody was. I didn't have the cell phone number. We had
I guess tapos na siyang nanigarilyo. Are you done? Hilig talaga manigarilyo, ha? Okay, let's go. Do you wanna look for coffee? Okay, let's go.
I said, you get into the doctor, come here, sit there and ask me questions. I said, oh yeah, they like to come early in the morning and late after visiting hours because they don't
Turn
want,
left at the traffic
they don't
light.
want to have to answer questions to patients' families. Which I noticed that about these hospitals. That they
They want to, like everything else, they want to get in.
Wala na dyan taon, may mga loves. There's a accident over there, right?
yeah. Assuming that's where the cops are coming up.
Na, and they bring us to the other side. You have to slow down here because we don't know this road.
Okay, good.
Na, nawala na dyan me. Oh goodness. I guess we have to go back to the thing.
We're riding outside the highway technically.
Yeah. Oh, jay.
The question is, are we going to be past the accident over here or we have to keep going?
No, nawala dyan taon me.
At end of the road, turn left onto
don't have
Knapp
a
Road.
choice.
Then, take
There's
the
no
next sharp
continuation.
right.
Slow down, love. Wait.
Relax, huh? Seriously.
You're in a freaking... Ay, nako. Tawanan niyo eh, mga kalagot mag-drive eh. Look, he even go flying here.
Turn left. Then, take the
Stuck here anyway. Oh, it looks like
take
we're
the
past
next sharp
accident.
right
That's good.
onto Taconic State Parkway.
Okay. Hala, the thing is
Oh,
over
we
there.
just passed the accident.
Yeah, we just passed the accident. Watch out. We just passed the accident. It's over there. Look.
Well, it was a good pick.